Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I am so sorry I haven't been posting lately. It's just been a lot of a roller coaster nowadays. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my child while I'm trying to record this voiceover. But yes, I am here showing a little short of me technically just before and after when I was organizing my closet because it needed organization. It was a disaster. But yes, here was the before and after, and I hope you like what I put together. But if you really want to see the process of how I did it, just let me know, and when I do these closets again, I will film the whole entire process. Thank you and hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow my channel more, and thank you so much.